Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video I will tell you how you can remove your picture's background. I mean, if you want to remove your old background of your picture and replace it with new background, so you can do it very easy. Now for this purpose you have to download one application which is called Photo Room. Let me show you. This is application. The link of this application I will provide you under the video description. You can download there. Okay, now open the application. Okay, now click on start from photo and select your photo for which you want to change background. Okay, so here I am selecting one picture. I have selected one picture. The old background has been removed. Now if you want to replace new background, so here you can search for, here are some example of your picture background. As you can see, there are different size and different options for your picture. Okay, now here you can find new backgrounds. Click in the search Photo Room content. Now here, for example, I want to find a nature background, NATURE. Okay, now click on search. You can find like buildings, like blah blah blah, what you want, and I want to replace it with okay. Now here you can see many options you can select. I am selecting one background for this picture. Here's a new. Now you can also resize your picture by clicking your picture. One click, one tap on your picture. Now for example like this, and done. From here you can save this picture. There are many options also, like you can add text on this picture, like you can resize your picture, like many options you can apply on your picture. Now from here, if you want to save your picture, so click on this button, share button, and from here click on save to gallery. The new picture will be saved in your gallery. Now let's see if it's already saved in our gallery or no. I'm opening my gallery and I'll show you a new picture. As you can see, this is a picture which we have changed our background, and this is an old picture. So in this method you can change your background of your pictures. I'm sure this video will helpful for you guys, so stay connected with my channel and keep in touch for more informative and interesting videos I'll upload, inshallah.